Guys, we always play a song for our mothers. If you're missing your mom, this song is for your mom too. It's called Hurricane Wind. Yesterday the world was light as a feather. Everything was so alive, filled with color. It'll pass you by, the innocence of time, 'cause boys turn to men like hurricanes. And then one day you'll meet a girl, she'll drive you crazy. The sun will rise in her eyes, she'll make you dizzy. And for a while that's nice, but love gets sacrificed, 'cause boys turn to men like hurricane wind. You'll never know a love that grows like mother. She'll keep you safe for all your days, even when you're older. But now Mom stays in heaven's grace, as the boys turn to men like hurricane wind. Like hurricane wind, like hurricane wind, hurricane wind, hurricane wind.
That's Sean O'Reilly over there on piano. Yeah, maybe you passed by here around 3, heard him playing piano and harp and singing. He's gonna have his harp with him at Park City, so please come on by on the 30th, as I said.
All right, guys. So this next song is about Stephanie and I are a couple, and it's and it's about how you know, when you can't get enough of somebody, but at the exact same time, any moment is way too much. That's what this song is about. It's about us, and it's called "Light Me Up." Light me up with your neon smile. You burn me down like a house on fire. You're the bright blue sky, you're the raging storm. You're the hot, hot heat, you're the rain that pours. But you light me up. This could be love. Leave me
gonna do it for you guys. It's called Ready to Believe. It's my sister's new favorite.
Even storms that stand give way to the tide, crash beneath. Fair the wicked, bring hell to its knees. There are times I'm not ready. There are times I'm not steady. There are times I'm not ready, but I'm ready to believe. Hey, I'm ready to believe. The squall, turn it all to frost. As they do, they fall out from the freeze. The sun rise. It happens every time. Luck it changes sides. Yeah, and blink, fair the wicked, bring hell to its knees. Yeah, there are times I'm not ready. Yeah, there are times I'm not steady. There are times I'm not ready, but I'm ready to believe. Yeah, I'm ready to believe. It's long time come and gone, but I feel free. Long time come and gone, and I feel. There are times I'm not ready. There are times I'm not steady. There are times I'm not ready, but I'm ready to believe. Yeah, I'm ready to Thank you. Thank you so much. Just so you know, all these songs written by this guy right here, Mr. Ralph.
All right, so this next song, speaking of songwriting, what inspired this song is much less than what inspired the last song. A truck drove by with the word Niagara on it, and I said, that sounds like a great song title. And I wrote that song called Niagara, but I love this song. This song's called Niagara. It comes and goes, sweet winds they blow across Niagara Falls. It's wet, red raincoat ties, these misty eyes. Our tongues are tied, our hearts run dry. I miss your crazy ways, when you smile like a singing. I miss the smooth golden days. I miss the smooth loving days. We watch what noise it haunts and water runs. Our faces numb, you speak the words we need. It's time to leave, and you're set free, and I'm set free. I miss your crazy ways, and when you smile like a singing. I miss those smooth loving days. I miss those smooth loving days. If I change the way I am, I ain't got nothing. We're running out. If I change the way I am, I ain't got nothing. We're running out of Sean O'Reilly on that piano. Thank you guys.